There are a few things to consider when planning a residential roof replacement in Glen Mills. Understanding the steps involved can help. Before you start, you may need to obtain permits from your local authorities and consult with your roof repair company to discuss the timeline, costs, and any potential challenges that may arise during the process. First, the existing roof will be removed by stripping off the old shingles, inspecting the underlying structure for damage, and making necessary repairs. Now it's time for the installation of the new roof. An asphalt shingle roof install includes putting down the underlayment, applying the shingles, and ensuring proper ventilation and insulation. After the installation, the roofing company will remove debris, nails, and leftover materials from your property to ensure a clean and safe environment. And there you have it, the essential steps involved in an asphalt shingle roof replacement. Remember, hiring a professional roofing contractor for this project is essential to ensure quality results that last. If you need a roof replacement, trust the experts at Best Contracting for professional and reliable installation. Call us at 717-283-4524 for your free quote in Delaware County.